Here the position vector is given, right? Position vector is given, that is x cap, y cap, z cap, and you know r square is equal to r dot r. Then divergence of this function. So if you calculate r square converting into Cartesian x, y, z, then it is very complicated. But using polar coordinate you can easily do, right? How we do? See, suppose here divergence of r square r vector. What is r vector? Unit vector is equal to that vector divided by its modulus. Then r vector I can write as r cap. Can I write r cap? This r vector I replaced with r cap. Then divergence of r cube r cap. Then what is the component of r cap? Suppose you represent a function, that means f or v, right? Sorry, v is vr r cap plus v theta cap plus v phi cap. Then v theta 0, v phi 0, vr is what? This vr is r cap, r cube, right? Then what is vr? R cube. Now how we find divergence? Divergence equation, suppose this is in spherical polar coordinate system, right? Then divergence is 1 by h1 h2 h3 dou by dou r, right? Dou by dou r of h2 h3 vr. Now we have another term dou by dou theta, dou by dou phi. I am taking that all 0 because this component is 0, this component is 0. We have only vr is r cube r cap only. So v is r cube r cap only. Then vr component only existing, right? Now what is h1 h2 h3? 1 by r square sin theta. What is h1? Scale factor 1, h2 r, h3 r sin theta. These all are we discussed in scale factor is h1 h2 h3 in spherical polar coordinate. We already discussed, right? Into dou by dou r of what is h2 h3? Again r square sin theta into what is vr? Vr is r cube, right? Now this sin theta cancel because with respect to r sin theta is a constant, right? Then 1 by r square into what is this? R raised to 5 dou by dou r of r raised to 5. That means 1 by r square into 5 r raised to 4. Then r square cancel, 5r square is the final answer. Option B is correct, right? Alright.